Hi there. Did you know there is something you can do to stop your mobile phone screen from cracking or shattering forever? Nano liquid coating is a new and amazing innovation for coating mobile phone screens. It's a great business opportunity in which anyone can make money by providing the coating service to mobile phone users at a fee. It's a must-have gadget for all mobile phone sales and repair shops. Anyone can make money with it, including regular people, students in a dorm, etc. It comes in a beautiful briefcase, just like this one, ready for business. With our company, you get not one, but two nano coating machines. That means two people can start earning money right away using the machine. Each of the two machines comes with a USB dual cable. You can plug the nano coating machine directly to the power source. It comes with an instruction manual for your reference. I will show you how easy it is to use in 4 easy steps. Step 1. First of all, clean the customer's phone thoroughly using this glass cleaner by wiping the screen with cloth. Step 2. Put a few drops of the nano liquid on the screen and spread it evenly to let the nano molecule penetrate the screen. Step 3. Put the phone carefully in the machine facing up and press the lower button to start the nano coating procedure. It takes about 6 minutes. You can even add in an essential oil to give the new screen a nice scent if you want to. Step 4. Then wipe and clean the screen with the microfiber cloth to finish the whole process. Okay, let's now do a test. I will take a hammer and drill to try to crack and scratch the screen and see what happens. You see? It's amazing. Think about how many people will pay a fee to get this done for them to protect their mobile phone screen forever. It's a big business opportunity. People are paying at least $20 for nano coating to be done on their phone. The supplies in one briefcase can last until you nano coat 200 phones, and if you ever run out of supplies, just let us know and we will send you more supplies.